Then you have pineapple that we grew. Yung come have breakfast with me in our garden. I also brought a boiled egg. We're just gonna peel here. It's okay. It's good for the soil, I think. I don't know what they're called. Chicory? Very mapait. Masarap lang siya as a wrap or some. That's how its seeds look like. Tibay ah. Nagtanim din kami ng kamyas tree, pero it apparently takes like 2-3 years pa bago siya munga. But we have this. Ito sobrang sarap. Sweet, sour, fresh, and quite juicy for a leaf. My new favorite. Also have this. Pa? Guys, ang init. We're gonna take shade in this granada tree that we have. Yum. Spicy. Pineapples are hinog na rin. Dessert. Wait lang, kaway ko yung bahay ni SpongeBob. Ito na lang. Too warm. Kailangan ko siyang i-rep. Meron din kami pong tree or like a mulberry tree. So, kinakain usually ng mga birds yung... Let's see if meron. Diyan. Hindi pa hinog yung iba. Anyway, lang. Bye!